Okay, so here is a problem today. We have 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. And a lot of students make this common mistake, and I'm going to show this mistake here in just 30 seconds, okay? So we have this question, and right now I suggest you to choose one option. What do you think is a correct answer? You can easily check your algebra skill right here and write your option down in the comment section. And here in just 1 minute we will check our answer, yeah, and it will be really interesting, I swear. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. I just rewrite this problem right here real quick, and we are going to start solving this question. So 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. A lot of students solve it like that. They say, okay, 4 divided by 4, this is equal to 1. And right here, 4 divided by 4 in the end equal to 1 as well. This multiplication in the middle, so we have 1 times 1 equal to 1, yeah? And they say, okay, option A is a correct answer. And right now I don't want to tell you that this is correct or incorrect. I'm going to put attention on a correct order of operation, yeah? So for this question, I have this PMDAC order of operation. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. All internet, scientific graphing calculator, Wolfram Alpha, a lot of internet libraries works according to PMDMC. Yeah, I know a lot of different order of operation, but let's work according to PMDMC order. So we have this question. I just reread this question. 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. So we have this question, and we have PMDMC order. Let's solve it correctly according to PMDMC order of operation. Okay, what is the first step? The first step is parentheses, yeah? So are there any parentheses right here, right here, right here? No, I don't see any of those. I don't see any parentheses, so let's go to the next step. The next step is exponents. So are there any exponents right here? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have any exponent, we don't have any squares, cubes right here. This is really great, yeah? The next step, this is multiplication, and moreover, a lot of students make this common mistake. They say, okay, multiplication, let's multiply here in the middle. But this is an incorrect approach, because we need to work as a group. So multiplication and division, this is one operation group, yeah? So we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right, and moreover, we need to scan are there any multiplication and division sign. Yeah, we have multiplication and division sign, so this is our case. And right now, we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. If you're talking about this expression, left is right here, so the first sign from left to right is this division, yeah? So it doesn't matter multiplication or division, we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. So 4 divided by 4, this is our first step in this question. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, so we write this 1, and we rewrite this expression 1 times 4 and divided by 4. Yeah, okay. What we're going to do next? Let's scan. We have this expression once more with multiplication and division case, yeah? Now let's scan. What is the first sign from left to right? The first sign from left to right is this multiplication, so it doesn't matter. It can be like division or multiplication. We need to work with this multiplication. So this is our next step. 1 times 4 equal to 4. And 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. This is our last step. And as you can see, this is a very tricky question because we have the same answer if you're talking about this approach and this approach. But this approach is a correct approach if you're talking about a solution, but this is just a case that, okay, it looks like the correct answer is 1 and we solve it in the wrong way and the correct answer is 1. So this is like not a huge possibility to solve it like that, yeah? So this is a correct answer, this is a correct solution. This is a correct answer, but this is a wrong solution. But if one really interesting moment, if you put parentheses right here, 1 will be a correct solution right here in this case, yeah? So if we start from parentheses, we have 1. But in our case, this approach is incorrect approach to solve it. This approach is a correct approach. And if you know a little bit about algebra, about math, right here, if you divide by 4 and if you multiply by 4, this is equal to 1. So this expression in the middle gives us a 1, so as a result 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. But I want to put attention on this PMDMC order, and I hope this question is really interesting for you and you enjoy this solution. But if you still have any question, write a question in a comment. Now if you made this error, I'm happy you made this because you won't make this again, yeah? So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, okay? Now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, you can easily subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. The best support for me is to leave a like under this video, I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.